Amazon jungle is full of mystery. In this video, we are discussing about one of them, Boiling River. For centuries, Peruvian locals have talked about a river in the Amazon that burns so hot it can kill. According to legend, Spanish conquistadors foolishly ventured into the rainforest in search of gold, and the few men that returned told stories of poisoned water, man-eating snakes, and a river that boiled from the below. Imagine Earth like a human body, with fault lines and cracks running through it like arteries. These earth arteries are filled with hot water, and when they come to the surface, we see geothermal manifestations like the boiling river. Eventually, the animals can no longer swim, and water fills their mouth and lungs, causing them to be cooked from the inside out. Gruesome. The Chennai Tempishka, also known as La Bomba, is a tributary of the Amazon River, called the only boiling river in the world. It is 6.4 km long, and it is known for the very high temperature of its waters, from 45 degrees Celsius to nearly 100 degrees Celsius. The name means boiled by the heat of the sun, though the source of the heat is actually geothermal. This amazing river is situated in the Mayantuyaku Sanctuary, part of the Hunango backwoods. This is one of the less known spots, and north portion of the park is shrouded full of Yellowstone. While the river's outrageous temperature are unusual for the geothermal surface, it is regarded as astounding in that it is non-volcanic. The closest dynamic volcanic territory is in reality in excess of 700 kilometers away. The so-called Boiling River is said to be the crown jewel of an unusual collection of 3 non-volcanic rivers in the area, which also include the salt water, a salty thermal stream, and the hot water, a warm freshwater stream. Both are a lot more modest in contrast with the Boiling River. Fed by both boiling and near-boiling hot springs, the river also feeds several thermal waterfalls along its length, the most impressive of which has a 20 feet drop into a large thermal pool, the Boiling River Project, which is investigating the phenomena. A few parts of the stream are said to be so hot that various animals that have fallen into it have been boiled right away, as indicated by the geoscientist Andres Russo, who found the waterway and leads the project. After some investigating and testing different hypotheses, Russo and his research colleagues believed that a fault-led hydrothermal feature was causing the river to reach such temperatures. The water leaks profound into the earth, warms up underground, and re-emerges through faults and cracks. The water temperature goes from 120 degrees up to right around 200 degrees Fahrenheit and arrives at 16 feet somewhere down in certain spots. The mud of the river bank was too hot to even think about walking on, and if you fell in, your skin would be covered in 3rd degree severe burns in less than a second. When a creature falls into the river, the main thing to go are the eyes. Eyes apparently cook very rapidly. They turn this milky white tone. The river is conveying them. They are attempting to swim out, but their meat is cooking on the bone since it's so hot. So they are losing power, until long last they get a point where high temperature water goes into their mouths and they cook from the inside out. Shrouded with layers of legends, spirituality and mysticism, the Boiling River is considered a sacred place to its local community. The river area is also home to the Centurion Huistan and Mayantuyaku, 2 native Amazonian healing communities, who have long considered it sacred site and place of spiritual powers that only the most powerful community healers would visit to commune with the spirits and learn about the secret healings, powers and rituals of their predecessors. Where is the Boiling River located? Boiling River is located next to the main road 89, between Mammoth Hot Springs and the north entrance of Yellowstone, just at the border between Wyoming and Montana. Boiling River is open for late summer till the end of winter. It is closed to the public in springs and in early summer, when the river is too high and wild due to the snowfall. The Boiling River Trail will also too muddy and inaccessible before mid-summer. It is usually closed from mid-March till mid-July. While the overwhelming majority of the people who visit the area have safe and unforgettable visits without any harmful incidents, These trips may not be suitable for everyone given the difficulty of access and rural conditions. The website of the project warns also. Prepare for very hot both from the sun and the river and humid conditions. Lot of hikings, bug bites, no air conditioning, no internet or mobile reception, as well as being about an hour away from the nearest clinic and at least 3 hours from the nearest hospital in Pulkapa. Your own security is completely your own obligation, and when you enter this wilderness, you do so at your own risk. There is no boardwalks, no ropes, no handrails. The boiling river zone remains for most part wild and untamed, and we want to keep this in this way only. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you like the video then make sure you hit that thumb up, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for new notifications.